Okay, our special Traveling in My World celebrities. I want to introduce you guys to somebody, a very good friend of mine. This is Rhonda Penrice. Rhonda is...
Nice to meet you.
This is Mr. Henry Cooley Jr. and this is Dr. Deborah Cooley. Now they are the special honorees for the first celebrity series presented by Traveling in My World. Now you know that's Dr. Cooley, Mr. Henry Cooley Jr. And just so you guys know, Rhonda is one of my dearest friends. Rhonda is also a noted journalist and an author, and she wrote a great book. And now she's going to take it from here.
Yes, when I was reading all the great things that you do, especially in giving the gift of literacy to our young people. I was very moved, and I wanted to share a copy of my book, African American History, for Dummies with you, so that you can share with your students.
Girl, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, I'm going to autograph that.
Please.
Yes.
Thank you for thinking about children.
Oh yeah, and
especially African American.
My mom was a teacher, and so when I read all the things that you do, especially giving hope to kids that have been pushed along, and a lot of them don't think that they can really ever be able to read and stuff, and it's just so important. And as you know, with African American history in particular, there are so many people who went from 0 to 60 in such a short period of time.
Definitely.
And so.
Well, thank you. I really, really appreciate that, and I will be sharing this not only for me but for my colleagues. Because anything I get, I have to share and let them know that we can purchase this and have it for the entire school. And that's a sharing of literacy for children. Because I am a reading specialist also. So that would be something we could put on. I could put on my wish list and book list for this year. Title I. Okay, how about that? I thank you so much. I appreciate you thinking about young people.
Okay, young lady.
He put me on the spot.
But you're so good at it.
This girl has amazing skills right here. One of my dearest friends. All right, Dr. Cooley, that's your second surprise so far. Well, I guess that's your first surprise because you knew about the hotel. So now this is your first surprise, and there's more to come. So you guys have a seat here, and we'll be right back with you in just a few. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Appreciate it.